Hi students, this is Murali Krishna. So today topic is periodic properties. So this is very important topic in classification of elements in first year intermediate. Okay, now we want to discuss about this. First of all, what about periodic property? Here you know already అంటే వీడియో లెంత్ అవ్వకుండా ముందుగానే డెఫినేషన్ రాసి పెట్టాను. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇన్ మోడర్న్ పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్. మోడర్న్ పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్లో మనకి ఎలిమెంట్స్ని అటామిక్ నంబర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆర్డర్లో అరేంజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే అండ్ ది సిమిలర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ రిపీటెడ్ ఎట్ రెగ్యులర్ ఇంటర్వెల్. అంటే సిమిలర్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ని ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేసేటటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి రిపీటెడ్ అట్ రెగ్యులర్ ఇంటర్వెల్, అంటే వాటి యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ని రిపీటెడ్గా అవి ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేస్తాయి. అలాగే దిస్ రిపిటేషన్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ పీరియాడిసిటీ. అంటే ఈ రిపిటేషన్ ప్రాపర్టీనే మనం పీరియాడిసిటీగా చెప్తున్నాం. అండ్ దే ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ పీరియాడిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్గా చెప్తాం. సో ఇది డెఫినిషన్ అబౌట్ పీరియాడిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. నౌ in periodic properties here first one atomic radius. Next second one ionic radius. Atomic radius and second one ionic radius and third one ionization energy. Next fourth one electron affinity. And fifth one electron positivity. Next sixth one electronegativity. And next metallic character or nature, metallic nature and non-metallic nature also, and non-metallic nature. Non-metallic nature. And next eighth one oxides. So metal oxides and non-metal oxides and amphoteric oxides. So means simply oxides. In these oxides, metal oxides and non-metal oxides and metalloid oxides also there. Okay, next ninth one oxidation state. And next one reactivity. So this all are periodic properties. Okay, in this class we want to discuss about atomic radius. What is atomic radius and its types and what will happen in group and period. Okay, now we want to discuss atomic radius in this video. Okay, now I will erase this. See. Okay, next atomic radius. Atomic radius. ఓకే, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం అటామిక్ రేడియస్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అనేవి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ అబౌట్ అటామిక్ రేడియస్? దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. ఓకే, నౌ what is the definition about atomic radius? Definition means, first I will draw the diagram. So this is one of the atom. So here the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell electron, the distance represented with r. So simply the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost shell in an atom is called atomic radius. Is called atomic radius. See, I will write the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost shell in an atom is called atomic radius. This is the definition. Next, atomic radius is represented with r. Atomic radius is represented with r. You know already. Next, here the atomic radius units. So atomic radius measured in atomic radius is measured in meters, nanometers, picometers, angstroms. Okay, atomic radius measured in nanometers, meters, picometers, angstroms. Okay, here this is nothing but units of radius. Okay, now atomic radius can be classified into three types. First one, metallic radius or crystal radius. First one, metallic radius or crystal radius. we want to discuss about one by one. ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి మనం డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ మెటాలిక్ రేడియస్ ఆర్ క్రిస్టల్ రేడియస్ ఆల్సో. నెక్స్ట్, what is the definition about metallic radius? What is the definition about metallic radius? Here I will draw the diagram. So this is one of the atom and this is also one of the atom. Okay, here nucleus of this atom, here nucleus of this atom. This distance, here see, the distance between two nucleus, the distance between two nucleus. Here, for example, this is sodium and this is also sodium atom. Okay, this is sodium and this is also sodium atom. Here, the distance between two sodium atoms is 3.72 angstroms. Okay, so first we want to discuss about definition. After I will give example. Okay, half of the, here see, I want one sodium atom radius. That's why here to here, here to here, here to here, this is the sodium atom radius and this is the sodium atom radius. Now how to define this? Means the half of the distance between two nucleus of adjacent atoms in crystals is called metallic radius. I will write that definition. See, okay, now here half of the distance between two atoms in crystals, half of the distance between two atoms in crystals, that radius is called atomic radius. Okay, now here the distance between two sodium atoms is 3.72. The distance between two sodium atoms is 3.72 angstroms. So now here I want to radius of sodium means by 2. So atomic radius of, so here means metallic radius means radius of sodium, is equals to 3.72 by 2. So here 1.86 angstroms. This is radius of sodium in metallic radius or crystal radius. Okay. So this is information about metallic radius. Next, second one. Second one, covalent radius. Next, second one, covalent radius. See. Next, second one, covalent radius. Here also same, similarly I will take here. See, here this is chlorine atom and this is also another chlorine atom in same molecule. Remember that one. Okay. Now, what is the definition about covalent radius? Covalent radius. So, half of the distance between center of the two nucleus. Here, that is the radius of two chlorine atoms. Here, what is the covalent radius? Covalent radius. Here, half of the distance between the center of the nuclei. Half of the distance between the center of the nuclei of covalent molecules. Covalent molecules. See, the half of the distance between center of two nucleus. Center of the two nucleus. Center of the two nucleus. Center of the two nucleus in covalently molecules. In covalently molecules. Molecules is called covalent radius. Is called covalent radius. Is called covalent radius. Okay. Now here the distance between two nucleus means here the distance between two chlorine atoms 1.98. See, I will erase this. See, here this is first point. Next, here the distance between two chlorine atoms. Two chlorine atoms is 1.98 angstroms. 1.98 angstroms. But here we want to calculate covalent radius. That's why the radius of chlorine. Chlorine atom is equals to chlorine atom is 1.98. Chlorine atom is equals to 1.98 by 2. Here 0.99 approximately. Here this is angstroms. So this is information about covalent radius. Clear? Now third type. So what is the third type of atomic radius? Means van der Waal radius. Third type, van der Waal radius. Van der Waal radius. Van der Waal radius. Van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius. Okay. Here, what is the definition about van der Waal radius? Here, listen carefully. Here, this is different diagram compared to this both. Why? Because see here. See, here this is the one molecule and this is another molecule. This is one molecule and this is another molecule. Here this is the half of the distance between two molecules. Here in this molecule one atom and in this molecule one atom. Two atoms, two adjacent atoms in different molecules. That is the very important. Now how to define the van der Waals radius? Means half of the distance between center of two nuclei of adjacent atoms in different molecules is called van der Waal radius. I will write. See. Half of the distance between center of the two nuclei center of the two nucleus of different atoms in different molecules. Different molecules is called van der Waal radius. Is called van der Waal radius. Okay, this is applicable for non-metals. I will erase this. Okay. This is applicable for non-metals. Here see.